Alright, so they're in. Here we go. Can't even see on this camera. There they are. There. Okay, so yeah, now this little one's not going to survive because unfortunately that lot fell over and it just broke the stalk on that in the bucket when I was driving it in the car. Yeah, look at that little spider. Little spider there. I grabbed a bit of leaf litter and chucked it on here. So anyway, look, hopefully they'll do really well. They are native to the area. They're used to kind of rainfall we get here. So hopefully we'll end up with a whole sea of them. May not work, we'll see, we'll find out. I think probably this paddock was eaten out worse than the front paddock, which is why I haven't seen any bracken fern come up in this paddock, but they are in the other paddocks, and also why there's hardly any wattles coming up. So it's going to take a bit more for this paddock to recover, I think. But anyway, look, it's important to get local native trees in because that's in keeping with the existing fauna here and what they're going to eat. And, you know, it just makes good sense. So anyway, this is the start and we'll keep following it and see how it goes. This is going to take a huge amount of time to finish this project, so it's probably more of a hobby. Don't expect it to be finished anytime soon. We're talking decades. But anyway, that's the plan, and I don't know if I cark it or something happens, you know, at least it's fun doing it. It's a nice paddock this too. There's plenty of bearded dragons. There's something croaking over there. I think the frogs are starting to come out again now. It's warming up. Yeah, just over there. Yeah, I don't know if I can find him. Anyway, so that's it. So as I post these, as I do things, you might enjoy looking at them. Okay, righto, thank you, bye.